In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect a microphone to Sony A7 IV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are a few ways to connect a microphone to your Sony A7 IV. In this video, I'm gonna go over all of them. So for the first and most direct method, all that you have to do is use the built-in 3.5mm jack. So you can directly connect the 3.5mm microphone to the camera's microphone jack. While convenient, this method might not provide the best audio quality, especially in noisy environments, but it is super fast because all that you have to do is plug any compatible microphone. Alternatively, you can also try using a USB-C audio interface. So a USB-C audio interface allows you to connect professional-grade XLR microphones to your camera. To do this, you need to connect the XLR microphone to the audio interface and then connect the audio interface to the camera's USB-C port. Configure the camera's audio settings to use the USB audio interface as the input source, and then your microphone is going to be usable right away as long as the audio interface was properly set up and connected to both devices. Alternatively, you can use a wireless microphone system. Once again, wireless microphone systems like the Rode Wireless Go 2 offer flexibility and convenience, but you might not get the best quality possible. So to set this up, pair the wireless microphone transmitter to the receiver. So connect the receiver to the camera's 3.5mm microphone jack or the USB-C port, depending on the receiver's connectivity options. And now they will be able to detect the receiver and set up the microphone automatically. Of course, this is going to differ for every single model, so read the instructions on your specific wireless microphone model if needed. Make some considerations like always adjusting your camera's audio settings to optimize the sound quality and experiment with different microphone placements to achieve the desired sound. And you will be able to use any compatible microphone that you have, either through a wired or wireless connection. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect mic to Sony A7 IV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.